I want to bring a point to you today. One of the points I want to bring you today is location. You've heard it a million times, but here's the thing. People ask about seeing a property. They clicked online and it's way the heck out of their comfort zone. If you're going to spend time looking out of your comfort zone, then you're missing the point on location. Location is where you live, where you're going to make that appreciation dollar over the next 7, 10, 30 years, depending on how long you live there. But if you're going to make 360 payments on something, don't live way out of your comfort zone. Make the money on the location that you want to live in, enjoy it, and put your heart and soul into it. Look where you want to be. So location is super important to you and your family. It can also be super important to your financial decision. You may save a couple of dollars per square foot by looking out of your comfort zone, but if you zone in on where you need to be for your lifestyle, work, where the kids play, all that good stuff, you're actually gonna have a better return on your investment. So factor that in. Factor in maybe cost per square foot and that neighborhood you really like and the time you're saving, and then the appreciation value in the future going forward. Get with us at Levin Rinke on how to maximize on that value when you're shopping by location. WalterPierce.com.